Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger technology that allows multiple parties to record and verify transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It gained prominence with the emergence of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential applications extend beyond digital currencies. In a blockchain, transactions are grouped into blocks, which are linked together in chronological order, forming a chain. Each block contains a unique cryptographic hash, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block, creating an immutable record of all transactions. This decentralized nature makes it difficult for any single entity to control or manipulate the data, enhancing security and trust. One of the key features of blockchain is its consensus mechanism, which ensures agreement among participants on the validity of transactions. Different consensus algorithms exist, such as proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, each with its own approach to verifying and adding new blocks to the chain. Blockchain technology offers several benefits. Transparency: the entire transaction history is stored in the blockchain and is accessible to all participants, promoting transparency and accountability. Security: transactions recorded on the blockchain are secured through cryptography, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to tamper with the data. Decentralization: blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing the risk of a single point of failure. Efficiency: blockchain enables real-time settlement and eliminates the need for manual reconciliation, streamlining processes and reducing costs. Trust: blockchain's transparent and immutable nature fosters trust among participants, as it provides an auditable record of transactions without relying on a central authority. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology has found applications in various industries, including finance, supply chain management, healthcare, voting systems, intellectual property, and more. It has the potential to revolutionize existing systems by increasing efficiency, reducing fraud, and enabling new business models. However, it's important to note that blockchain is not a solution for every problem, and its adoption may present technical and regulatory challenges. Organizations considering blockchain implementations should carefully evaluate its suitability and potential benefits for their specific use cases.